Like CSI Barry or something. Halloween is upon us. And I am not wearing that witch's outfit. I wore that in the last video. Anyhow, my kids are out. I'm home alone. I'm literally home alone other than the pugs. And I am not dressing them up again, as also they were put through that too the other night. Oh, this is a 3D skull pan that I ordered for Halloween. And unfortunately, well not unfortunately, fortunately for one person if you're making it, it's enormous. Look at this thing. And when I first opened it in bed, I was like, oh yeah, it's cool, it's gonna have 2 skull plates, but it doesn't. This is literally one big old fat skull that you fuse together. It's very exciting. We all are effectively just skulls, aren't we? Just walking around, just skulls. I'll let you skull that over. I put a tweet out saying, what should I do with this? And there was one thing that someone did say was pizza skulls. Now these were smaller molds. I think this thing is from Wilton, quite a well-known brand. Makes good quality stuff. This arrived next day, so by the time this video is up, you should get time to be able to get it in time. Fingers crossed for your Halloween parties. We're gonna do a pizza, right? And we're gonna dye the cheese. We're gonna keep that simple this time. No making black mozzarella. We're gonna put pepperoni in there. We're gonna do a homemade pasta sauce. We're gonna bake it, and it should be a gooey skull that I can pull apart. Doubles up as a skull bra as well. As I have a sweet tooth, I've earlier put some jellies in that there fridge, there. So Mrs. B's gonna help me make the jellies, because whilst we're doing the rest of the steps in a bit, this will be in the fridge setting to save some time. What are you doing?
It smells so good.
Put the jelly in the bowl. You're gonna get all your treats at your party you're going to, kids' party. You're leaving me here. You'll see in a bit the skulls are rather deep indeed. So we need quite a lot of jelly, so we've got double the amount, and this is 1 litre of water, which of course, I know off the top of my head, translates to about 4 cups. I did not look at this thing. So we're gonna dissolve that up. Green jelly. Oh, you're doing both? Look at that, wax on, wax off. Thanks for making my jellies.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Bye.
Have fun. Bye.
Don't make too much mess.
My jellies are in the fridge setting, and we're going to worry about that later. We're going to make white chocolate encased gooey jelly things for an optional dessert thing, but it's all about the pizza. So let's make a quick homemade pizza sauce. Garlic clove, get a garlic rocker. Oh, I love this gadget so much. Fresh basil leaves. Pan, olive oil, witch's hat. That's optional step. Push in the garlic. Fry it for like literally 30 seconds just so it browns a little bit. And to see... What the hell happened there? Oh, I think the pan was very hot because I was too busy putting Homer's hat on. We're gonna warm the garlic and the tomatoes together. And you can break down the tomatoes with your spatula as it warms through, okay? Sorry about that. Better check the lens, haven't I? To be fair, that is really covered, but the picture doesn't look too bad. Is it? Oh, there's a couple of blobs. Is there some blobs? Don't worry, I've got plenty. Basil. I'm now gonna get a really sharp knife that I got online earlier. This is an Elite Infinity knife. Again, not sponsored, but it's blooming sharp. Be careful. You know it's expensive when it comes in its own suitcase like that. I mean, I don't endorse these knives, but you just know that a knife is good when there's like chefs and stuff giving it nearly solid 5-star reviews. But like this thing is literally, it cuts paper. It's crazy. Like, I don't even need to try. The only thing I need to try not to do is basically slice my finger off. It is so sharp. Brilliant. Oh, and while I'm at it, this is an amazing, I don't know, I'm just firing facts at you today. I'm not going, this is a really good knife sharpener gadget. You can get these on Amazon. They are insanely good for really like bog standard knives. They make them pretty much as good as this. So in other words, don't buy this, buy this. I don't know. Push in the basil. I mean, of course you could skip all this step and just use standard pizza sauce, or you can buy passata and some salt. Just a little bit, smoked salt that is. So all I'm gonna do is keep stirring this sauce. You can see the water content is gradually simmering off. We're gonna thicken it up and that'll be it all done. And it smells insane. So my washed skull pan, it's so deep for the pizza, I'm just gonna do the front part, okay? I'm evenly greasing all the grooves on the pan, okay? Generally no idea if this is gonna work. All right, so I'm gonna use some store-bought pizza dough for this step. I was mulling over, could we use the 2-ingredient Greek yogurt pizza dough that we've done that you guys keep trying and tweeting me and stuff and sending me on any social media, and you love it as much as I do. It's such a simple hack, but I think for that, it might be just a teeny bit wet. So we'll go for like a standard pizza dough. All right, so some ready-made dough in a sheet like this. I've got another bit in the background there that I'm gonna use just to create the back of the hole. The hole? The skull? It's not a ship. All right, cool. So I'm just gonna halve it, so I've got a little bit more room to play with. I really wanna focus on getting it all kind of into a decent shape. And obviously the mouth is one of the most important things. It's a good life lesson. Just trimming off any excess. You'll see the main thing is that it's touching all these features and it's getting the imprint, and the weight, hopefully, of the ingredients should help there. So the other sheet of dough goes in. All right, I think you can actually start to see the outline of it a little bit, but let's bung that in the fridge. There's no room in my fridge, so we'll stick it out in the garage. Just as cold as we found out before. Filling wise, along with the tomato sauce, I'm gonna use that sharp knife again. Oh my gosh. Straight through the pepperami like so. Nice, nice, nice. So pepperami, and we're gonna dye some cheese. I know that this will work versus my black mozzarella attempt the other day, because if you wanna do a marathon and check out the rainbow grilled cheese I did quite a while ago, which was awesome, we'll use the same concept. So we're gonna get a combination of cheddar cheese, mature, and some grated mozzarella. That looks like a lot of cheese. I'm gonna dye it red. And why red? Because red, skulls, blood, all that stuff. Nice. But I don't mind if it's not too red because we've got the pepperoni and of course the tomato sauce as well. You get me? But it might glue, it might be a bit stringy. Ooh, guts. I actually quite like the idea of leaving a little bit like non-dyed or just mixing it up like this, because it might be like maggots or something. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave it like that. All right, so I've just brought this in from the garage and it is, oh, it's really cold. It's like that Dumb and Dumber scene. If I stick my tongue on it, probably stick to it. You can probably hear my oven is preheated. That's good. I'm going for 170C fan, 190C without a fan. This is scaring me. I can actually see a little baby's face in it. So we need to cover this up immediately. Getting lots and lots of cheese in there. I want to limit the amount of tomato sauce. I don't want it to be too runny. Pepperoni. Our sauce. Oh man, that smells so good. A courtesy layer of cheese. Turns out I've got way too much than I needed. Some more pepperoni. Last layer of cheese just to cover it up and fill this baby out. The capacity of this skull is 1 litre. All right, so a bit of spare dough, rolling it out. Got quite a bit of it on me Bartians t-shirt. We just launched a store on Bartians if you're interested. Just a quick egg wash, okay, to help bond it and also colour the top or the back of the skull. A little bit of egg wash around the side to act as a glue. We'll just place this on top. I'm gonna lightly press it in. Just pinch this together and kind of give it a sort of pizza crust. A little eggy wash. Don't think this is really essential, but it'll give it a nice colour. My only concern now I've started doing this, which is amazing, is that the back of this now might be a completely different colour. Well, there's something you don't see every day, folks. Or that. Oh my gosh. Okay, you don't want to, ow, 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 you don't want to stand up, do you? Okay. Crikey, that's heavy. All right, that's better. Woo! In you go, mate. I don't really know how long for. I'm gonna guess about 20 minutes. Yeah? All right, that has actually been half an hour, and the top that I can see is golden brown. The edges, I don't know. Ooh, golden brown on the top. There's a little bit of red cheese spilled out one of the sides. It could be like blood going down the front of the skull. We'll let it stand on the worst side. There we go, where I singed a pan on there once. Not for long though. Let's grab a board. Boom. Are you ready? I'm not. I'm excited, you sinister looking pan. Oh my gosh. Oh my, you can't see it. You can't see it. It looks like a loaf of bread to you. Oh,
I can see.
check that out. Oh, yes. That has worked amazingly. I could give it an egg wash, but I like the kind of ancient vibe look to it. It's gooing out a little bit. That's standard. It's going to have a little bit of seepage. I'll let it cool down. It's actually quite light. Wow. It's like Robocop, half his head. Also, quite sinister looking. Here we go. Oh my god! Oh, it's a bit strange. Oh my god. There's blood. Ah, that sauce is hot. Oof. I mean, I ain't no doctor, but that looks like actual brains. It's steaming up my lens because it's still so hot. Oh wow. Remember, that is pepperoni pizza in there. Ah. Oh. It's just pizza. Now, of course, all the while that's been happening, I've been praying that these jellies would sort of set. They're not fully there yet, and they can set in what I'm planning on doing anyway. Because for dessert, we're going to have a white chocolate skull with jelly inside, and we might make the eyes look black as well and give it a black tooth with black chocolate. Easy. Smash up some white chocolate. Into the bowl. All right. Microwave on 30-second blast, stirring until smooth. You've seen me do that loads of times. Let's jump to the nice bit. There we go. That's the good stuff. So this has just been out in my garage to keep cool, just to hopefully make the chocolate cling a little better. And I'm just taking a pastry brush and I'm gonna basically paint the insides in white chocolate, trying to make sure I coat it evenly. And it's quite cold because it's sort of almost seizing as it hits it, which is good. We're just painting. Let's jump to it. First initial coat done. To the pizza van, Batman, to cool down initially. Yeah, I can't use my fridge. Oh, hey, look, there's a crock and bouche mold because there's jelly in there. All right, so we can see how well that first layer's done. We can get a bit more full on with it now. Rinse and repeat. Now that is going to need several layers. I'm going to use all that chocolate up, and I'm probably going to need more going back and forth to the garage. So just bear with me. I'm going to get it filled up so it's completely sealed, which might be a good few hours, which gives the jelly time, and I might even leave it overnight. We'll see what happens in a few hours. What I'm finding is this is actually just a lot like painting. So just, I'm on this final layer now. With white chocolate particularly, you really want to get as much strength into it as you can. All right, we are starting to lose light a little bit, so I might have to play with the camera later. We're gonna crack on. I think we're gonna finish this, okay? The skulls have firmed up, as solid as fingers crossed they're gonna be, and our jellies are ready. It's kind of hiding there. So we're gonna go for like a greeny, ready brain. So, do we mush the jelly up? Oh, yeah, we do. Oh, yes, they look all like brainy like that. That's what we want. Brains! I don't know how long I'm going to leave it. I'm kind of excited for this, and to be honest, the pizza was the real hook, wasn't it? If I go like this, not only does that look amazing, I'm hoping, oh, that's what we want. We're proper nailing this today. Oh, get in there. Ugh. Do I put a very thin layer of white chocolate there to prevent this? Because obviously I need to turn one out and mould it to the other with more white chocolate later. I'm going to have a think about that. So I'm just going to put this in the fridge for the moment, and then I'm going to take a moment to think about whether to do that little layer. Only on one of them though. The layer that I'm going to flip. I'll take a moment. Yep, I'm going for it. On the end that is the actual face, just think that that one's going to stand up a little bit more. So all I want that to do is just to bite all the edges, and that might just give it a little bit of support. It might not. Jelly's quite heavy, but that's not too bad. You know what? I've realised I'm going to need to turn them both out anyway, so the jelly would fall out of both just to get them out of the moulds. So that moment of thought that I had a minute ago, kind of unnecessary. Oh yeah. All right, that'll do. Just evenly spread that on, and I think this will really help it join now. As long as we can get it fairly level, because jelly's pretty soft anyway, isn't it? Oh, don't touch it! Yes, 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 yes. Yes! Okay, that's had time to set. Let's try and get them out of these molds. Oh my gosh, they are heavy. Oh! Huh. Yes. I haven't seen what it looks like, but it fell out. Oh my gosh, please, 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 please work. Please, please work, please work. Oh, there it is. Amazing. Oh, that is so, oh, look at that. That's like Tutti Frutti ice cream. And I've got some white chocolate, some fresh white chocolate that I've melted. Again, it's getting a bit messy, whoops. We can just do our best. We've come this far. Oh, wow. That's lining up perfectly. I've got to try and get it to sit like that so it sticks for a minute. I might just have to hold it. Yes! I can't believe my luck today. Right, I've got one little idea left. Oh yes. Leave me to it and I'll show you what it's like when I'm done. So, after dyeing the eyes, nose and teeth, and also watering it down and then brushing it on the rest of the chocolate to kind of give it a bit more of a Scully vibe, there is our skull, which I'm going to call Marv. That has held it really well. I almost don't want to break into it because it's just held it so solid. Really important, especially with white chocolate. I'm half expecting this to shear off, but it's strong. So, should we smash the jelly out of it? Yeah. Oh no. Oh, well, it did kind of come off its half like that. It's only, that's the weak point, right? But look what I've done to the skull. Oh. Beautiful. Right. Well, my day off has basically turned into making skulls and a lot of tidying up. There you go. I'll leave the link down below if you want to get the skull pan. This is pretty good fun. Hope you have a good Halloween. Bye-bye.
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
Don't make too much mess.
Oh.